they are a great way to deter pests that rely on their sense of smell to return to the same spot to eat a bunch of stuff. So, like ants, hate mint, hate oregano, hate citrus peels, hate cucumber peels, anything that smells strongly enough that they might get lost on their way back to their hole. I'm generally an opponent, not a proponent, of buying any extra random stuff we need for the garden, because most of the stuff we actually need we can either grow or find ourselves cheap for free without ever having to leave our homesteads, which ultimately is the goal, let's be honest. However, there are a few things that we can use, like diatomaceous earth, which is probably the most misunderstood organic chemical we could possibly have on our homestead, so let's just talk about it real quick. Diatomaceous earth is a naturally occurring crystalline powder that will help us to discourage any pest that has an exoskeleton. And by that I mean any insect that has a hard shell on the outside. Diatomaceous earth is relatively inexpensive, and it is really easy to just sprinkle around our plants that are having a lot of pest pressure, but it will only work when it's dry. I've heard a lot of baloney about people using diatomaceous earth to be ingested to actually kill parasites and things like that. And while I would love to believe in the potential benefits of doing that, the way that I understand diatomaceous earth to actually work is that you need the crystals to be super dry so that when the creepy crawly walks over it, it basically dissolves their outer shell or pokes a whole bunch of holes into their armor, and then they die. I rattled off a lot of different random lists and other things in this video, and if you want to see those actually laid out in a more logical, rational way, check out my Squarespace website, annofalltrades.com. As a total tech Luddite myself, Squarespace has been a fantastic resource throughout the last 12 years, where I've learned how to go from a total city slicker, city dweller to an organic farmer who's trying to do all this myself, doing the absolute best that I can. And Squarespace has provided a beautiful artist design template for me to easily drag and drop everything I want to share with the world into, and then it shares it with the world. Squarespace makes it super easy for me to host my online store, where I have merchandise, project plans, and also online courses that you can sign up for and learn alongside me as well. If you yourself are interested in starting a website of your own, if you have an idea that you want to share with the world, some photo galleries you want to share with potential clients, an online store that you want to launch, check out Squarespace. And when you are ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/annofalltrades for a 10% discount. I also happen to be writing a book on time and priority management and making big dreams happen when we have limited time, limited resources, and limited focus, energy, capacity, all those things. If you want to learn more about that book project, or even join our online cohort where we're going to be teaching these things in real time as I write the book, check out my website, again, annofalltrades.com, and you can find it all there. Woo! Alright. At the end of the day, our best defense against pests in our garden is to have healthy soil. This, my friends, is the most beautiful mycelium layer that we can not only talk about in another video, but this is a massive sign of massively good things in the garden. When we have healthy soil, we have plants that have healthy root systems that can have access to all the nutrients, minerals, etc., that they need. When we have healthy plants with healthy root systems, their plant matter themselves are actually going to have healthy doubling power. So if an insect or other pest does take a month or two out of the plant itself, it's really no problem to the plant because it can fix itself or heal itself. Healthy soil, though, is kind of the long game approach, and in this video we talked about a lot of the short game approaches. If you do, however, want to improve your soil over time, check out this video where we talk about just how we've done that, transforming our absolute garbage clay soil here in Tennessee into the fertile Jurassic Park growing medium that we currently have. I will see you in that video. Thanks so much for being here. Cheers!
They're not bad to you guys. That's crazy. Every cell is what is up.
Oh, little to the left, my man. How about you? Not bad. What can I do for you, man? Where I'm coming from, the Philippines, if you're stalling